Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen from dinner. So we're gonna make one of these, and first thing we're gonna do is we're going to pour out, get it dry, just like that. This is really easy, really easy. Okay, and you can make your own spices, or you can buy one that you really like and you just sprinkle it all over. But first, I'm going to do some olive oil. I'm going to rub it all over the chicken here. Okay, and I'm going to take this off so I can sprinkle them with spice. So this is a spice I'm using. It's called adobo. It's really good. If you don't have it, like I said, just use whatever you prefer to use. So I'm just gonna open it up, and all you need to do is just sprinkle it all over. Don't be shy. It gives it a really good flavors. While this is gonna go to a grill, barbecue grill, and we'll do slow cook it or in direct heat. You have the heat on both sides and not in the middle. So you're gonna cook this really slow for an hour and a half, and when it's done, you let it sit for 10 minutes before you carve it. You're gonna want to tuck in the wings. Alright, just like that. You tuck the wing in, just like that. So now we do it just like this. So we have a beer inside this can. I don't have a can of beer, so I just use this can that is empty. So we have half of the beer in here. So what you do, I'm just gonna use my hand, it's clean anyway. We're gonna put that in the middle and kind of just let it in there, and it goes like that. There you have it. And then there you go, guys. That was very easy. The beer, the can in the middle of the chicken, supposed to keep the chicken very moist, so that's how we do it. And this will go in the grill in direct heat, to heat on the both side of it, and leave the middle cold, and you just cook it very slow for an hour and a half, and then take it out, and then you let it sit for 10 minutes before you carve. Okay guys, I'm outside right now, and this is my chicken. It's cooking. There's two of them. One of them is actually wrapped with spicy sauce, so you can see that it's kind of bright out here. Looking good. Can't wait to taste it. There you have it. Very easy. You can do it at home. Okay, the chicken is ready. Look how good that looks. We're gonna carve it. I'm gonna taste it. Look at that. Nice and juicy. So good. So good. Okay guys, I gotta go and eat this chicken before it get cold. See you guys later. Bye.